2026 GMC Terrain. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.